If you could see like an eagle, you could see an ant crawling on the ground from the roof of a 10-story building, or you could make out the faces of basketball players from the worst seats in the arena. Science is learning more about eagle vision all the time, and some aspects of eagle vision may eventually be achievable for humans. Eagles and other birds of prey can see 4 to 5 times further than a human. This gives them 25 or 24 vision compared to our 20/20 vision. In other words, what we can see easily at 5 feet away, an eagle can see from 20 feet away. Determining how far an eagle can see requires designing special experiments. After all, an eye chart from the local optometrist is hardly going to work. One common setup involves training the birds to fly towards 2 screens. One screen displays a stripe pattern and the birds get a treat when they land on it. Scientists test their acuity by varying the width of the stripes to determine from what distance the eagles begin to veer in the correct direction. There are 2 characteristics of the eagle eye that give them sharper vision. First, the retina has more light-detecting cells called cones than the human retina. In fact, there are a staggering 5 times as many cones in the eagle fovea as in the human, and the fovea itself is shaped like a convex pit compared to our little shell or bowl. The deep fovea allows their eyes to act like a telephoto lens and gives them extra magnification in the center of their field of vision. Because of this, an eagle can spot an animal the size of a rabbit from 2 to 3 miles away, and they can spot a fish under the water's surface from over a mile away. Eagles see everything in brilliant color, as all birds have superior color vision compared to humans. Birds see in tetrachromatic color, or 4 colors, compared to our trichromatic version, or a mere 3 colors. They can also see in ultraviolet light, which helps predators like eagles detect the UV reflecting urine trails of small prey. What is it like to see in such vivid colors? First, we can assume birds look very different to each other than they do to us. It is hard for us to extrapolate what these extra colors look like, but one artist with the ability to see in tetrachromatic colors has painted a number of pictures from her unique perspective. The tree on the left is the model for her painting, and the painting on the right shows the many additional colors she sees. Amazing! On top of the ability to perceive more colors and see farther, an eagle has nearly double the field of view compared to a human. Eagle eyes are angled 30 degrees away from the midline of their face, so they can see almost all the way behind their heads. This gives them a 340-degree visual field compared to the normal 180-degree field for humans. Eagles must swivel their heads to sweep their fovea, remember that's the telephoto lens, across their field of view. After spotting potential prey in this manner, the eagle will use its stereoscopic vision using from both eyes to gauge distance, to figure its speed of approach towards prey. An eagle eye is nearly the same size as a human eye, even though human is many times bigger than an eagle. In fact, the eye of the eagle actually weighs more than the rest of its brain. This does not equate to being dumb, as birds have areas that seem to function like our cortex, and many birds have superb memory. The eye of the eagle is surrounded by the sclerotic ring of the skull, so little movement of the eye is possible. An eagle can't move its eye from side to side like you can. An adult bald eagle has a yellow eye to match its yellow beak. However, young eagles are born with a brown eye, as well as brown beak, brown head, and a brown tail. The characteristic white head and tail, yellow beak, and eye will gradually appear as the eagle matures between the ages of 4 and 5 years.